Hello, welcome back. I'm Rachel Caron. Today I'd like to share with you my Mexican bowl. Super easy again. Throw everything in. This one you have to do in the morning because it has to cook all day. So the first time I had it, I had it at my daughter's. She did it with pork loin. So I stuck with that for a while. But then when I didn't have pork loin, I went to ground turkey, ground chicken, whole chicken, chicken breasts, and today I'm using ground beef. First of all, we're going to add our meat. Just ground beef. Good old-fashioned ground beef. Chilies. I like Hunt's tomatoes because they steam all their tomatoes. I don't know, they just have a better flavor, I think. Whole can. Olives. I critiqued this recipe from what my daughter gave me because I like olives, so I added the olives. Black beans. 1 small whole jalapeno and 3 to 4 garlics depending on your taste. Just straight in. 1 small onion diced in. 1 bouillon cube, OXO from England. You can tell I'm English, so I try to order these online when I can, or when I go home to England I get them and bring them back. So they're a great addition. So 1 bouillon cube, OXO, and then half of salsa. Whatever salsa you have, it doesn't have to be any particular brand. I just have to pick this one up, so I'll do about half tub of that. And that's it. The beauty of it is you throw it all together, lid back on, low, let it go all day while you're at work. When you come home, you have a great Mexican bowl. I like to serve mine with quinoa, or you can serve it over brown rice, white rice, whatever your family likes. So thank you. We'll come back in a few. So here we are, finished product. As usual, smells delicious. So hit like, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to serve this up. And I will see you back here on Friday.